In this video, we'll show you how to automatically add your scheduled IG post to your Linkit gallery on Planoly's web dashboard. First, click on any unscheduled post in your Planoly grid. Next, click here on the link icon. Here is where you can add your Linkit gallery URL. Once this post goes live, it'll automatically show up in your published Linkit gallery. See here how your post has automatically been added to your Linkit gallery. Can't remember your Linkit gallery URL? No worries, we'll show you where it's located. Navigate to the Linkit tab. Click on Publish URL, and then click on Copy. From here, you can now paste in your URL. There you have it! You now know how to automatically add your Instagram posts to Linkit, available on Planoly's web dashboard. To learn how to use Planoly's features, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.